at the mobile rush media so and anumrei. Ebreko and sono ye woman. Abuja wedi ene de ye boni taw na ya san akọ. Ene ensem me ensa na me de bremo. Ebekasa afa the MPP regional elections ho. Wana wotumi wene ye. Na yakasa afa the fight between Kevin Taylor and Vim Lady. If you are near on the galamsey issue, Sisi Ameno Kasei, and this Yamanyo could be able to say they cannot fight galamsey because the year when the evidence about Bonton say galamsey fight in the John Mahama will lose support. Rebecca Safa san same way in our na ye na se bre wom na adofo ewo yama won so nyina kwan na obi bia nso aba na abekire na adwen ha Ras Media GH meso se bomodern na subscribe to this channel share video no na comment nso ma ye na like video no akoma no na wo don sa ebobo so sa abusu ya jobo aja no anya aba abeduru awie MPP internal election the regional level and yakoto ye yedini nyina aba na wie ye munyina munim say yedikan ato the district level no and the constituency level no ene yakotsan like say ye ko na akoto the regional level na sesi ameno ka say yensaka some of the results ye pese ye ne munyina enche emfa, especially we will concentrate on some of the most important, or the can I say the yensaka home resource no and then yene mo babeche na yede yafa na ade ba ko and am pese menka ansana ye be get into the outcome of the resource na any said MPP amanyokuo abone homodene pa. The organizers of all these two elections, the district level and the regional level, they need to be recommended because omoye jumaden kwan omofa so omototo niema ema yeto saaba mienu wei awia entokwa ne basabasa yansi babia no. I think say the organizations and the organizers of this event no, they needs to be recommended. Now bibia so kire say ne da bia me no ka say MPP amanyoko no anije any odo abam ente said na amanfo bi mpese omonka mayemfa nto yetim say MPP amanyoko no obia any do wa akire dabi just to understand say abatu ekoto ye abatu ekoto ne so hwe nipa dodo omo contest ya echo say MPP amanyoko no enipa dasani ani de akire. Yes, sir. Akonya betofie na ade hye no ampie se omo pa akonya no adia na ekse akonya no so ne mfaso na so dan pipi amanyoko yi contest na anase contest e wo mu nyina no every time this particular moment yenim se 2024 election anko yi amayenkura na still amanfo eguso pre so mbenya sa tumi na di na omonso akondoto omo very respectfully really any organizers nko enye ye can say the police and say nkrofo ye de ombechi omebo ban na mbom even the contestants no omo modern ye aye omo very civilized omo timi ato aba we nyina wi a kasa ni matiu ni maka obi antumi ama bibia aye smooth na ade ba akoye me ya ne say yewo MPP for bi mo ho a ade bia bekoso party we mu bia no they will find a way to bring negative mentality about it. Me yaba na no ye wo ho a na akwabi akofa ba say Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia akoye list e de aba abonten say enkrofo betumi ni omo aye adwuma nie enti yenkoto abama nkrofo we tiemiye pawo enkontompo ni ntwato so onipa dasani tumi kotena dan mu eko fabricate store de beto Dr. Bawumia so say Dr. Bawumia ayiyi nkrofo bi ma ono se omo na opeso ni omo ye adwuma mi yaba Samsam na mote ne wo de mote ne wo Samsam na mote ne wo media num se Dr. Bawumia ede na list aba se nkrofo no betumi omo aye adwuma sa nipa we nom na yese mo nto aba ma nwa ba de ba ni nyina ye tro the reality of the fact and say tiemiye we am pipini afatu tim na hu se Bawumia aye woni fire oye nipa oka nipa bom oye nipa omu obia anim yanka na se omu obia from ofa obia very serious. The reality of the fact and then say all the regional executives, mpanyimfo no more all the regions, and anteko Dr. Bawumia nim ekobisa say doctor when I had to abama when we are the flag bearer of the party. Ye kwani akwakoto regional elections. Why na opese yen to abama no? Pacho temi ye pa. Why na opese yen to abama no? Ena Dr. Bawumia ba be kan kire mpanyimfo no mo call na nimu no say muna mo district ho muna mo region ho muna munim enkrofo a omo so omo pese omo mira medi chairman ewo district ho no ana secretary ana treasurer ewo region ho no muni omo nete ho muna munim mo nsuban muna munim kwan omo fa so ene mo yeden edi nkobo muna munim enkrofo betumi aye adwuma kọ grassroots no so akọ involve obi bia ama 2028 enkunimdie na yenyina ye pe no ayeye enti mummom no monko na mo ankasa monye mo personal research na mo hu enkrofo a modwene se moto abam no e de ma won e wo the regional level a abo betumi aye adwuma no ama MPP okonkese na e da ye nim 2028 no ye betumi akontokwa na ye asema Bawumia kan ye ni asema Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia eka kire every regional call Dr. Bawumia office say all copy advice here free no. This is what Dr. Bawumia told them. But it me ankrofo ema mo ba bonten ebe orchestrate a kind of story be say Dr. Bawumia on a list. Say Dr. Bawumia listed down enkrofo a no dwene say omombom no betimi omo ye adwuma nwa ba de ma ente saada ebi ansi oba bia ente sa. Now the reality of the fact and say enkrofo ebe yo mo adwene say omo no omo ko but omo nan eda so si party no enkrofo bi omo no party no omo so omo nka ho bi mo but omo ntumi nka no omo anum nkire yen say omo nka ho bi mu enti omo hye party ni ma omo pekwam bia so betumi de party no akọ oseye mu enti ensema enho hia mfata ni e kan de good Dr. Bawumia so asema doctor nka aye ni e kan de hye na no asema doctor nim ni e de hye na no just because they want to create that division na eba ye mu in 2024 enam so ma andisi amanyokuo etumi di nkunim chechereche no wo yeso no enkrofo no just still they can do that even though they are not part of us, but this time it will not work. In fact, it did not work because yekokoto abani wiye no the outcome of the results no chere say the choices that was made was a choice enkrofo no omokoto aba the delegates themselves they actually knew whom they want and why they voted for the person. Enti abani akwakoto awie Dr. Nelist bia enipa bia ya to aba ayi ni bia no ya to aba yi no because of MPP ni ena de enti ya to aba ma ne so no se ye nim se obetumi aye adwuma no ama nkoso eni ye yo aba party no ama 2028 ye ko na ede ye nim no ebe ye mre dia ma ye simple, very very simple. And more being conscious of Dr. Bawumia prefer obi echen obi na mbom so ye kan okra nso mpodia ewi ase aye wo obi bia ni ho ne preference ewia se ayewo obi bia ni ho ne preference o makora wa ankasa na wawo wa ankasa e na wachi won na wo o mami no mami ensa e obi o ho a wo ne ne bokosua tafiri ye na ba ko bi nso ho no nheda anya ohu ni pai se one na mo ho ni ho beto ye oba. And it is normal say Dr. Bawumia preference. But enam the leadership quality of Papa no Muntino. On my bonte me can't say nipa way and a me peno and I say when a me peno. Because anybody and ne oko jina say young cotton and swabano, brother, my sister, no matter the preference that I had, I know say that person names was on the ballot paper because he was there to come and fight and make sure say the victory of 2028 becomes a reality. Because quite young people before fast so arrange this approach towards the 2028 election. I am very, very strategic. I am very, 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 very strategic. Say you're the free bottom line, bottom up, you can say up bottom approach no. You can say free so the buy, you know. Ama the sentency in the party now is solid. Because me you be a person me adwuma Dr. Bawumia. And I may be a mean to me and say Dr. Bawumia ne command they say I will never go there and contest. Sanso no be at here. District no muom, region no muom no, obi bia ni mo bia babio odi na groko. Enti so you be a sabio during the campaign. Bibia say you have no intention of working with Dr. Bawumia. The delegates will not even vote for you. So anybody that name was on the ballot paper this morning is somebody that has chosen to work for the victory of the MPP with the leadership of Dr. Bawumia. Fatuti. MOB nada. MOB nada. Into the outcome of the results now, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Bibiani wa I say, bibiani wa anko ye, because obi biara onweni ene biano or MPP ni. And now you know your mandate. Who your chairman, you know your mandate. Who your secretary, you know your mandate. Any position be a what take piano. Unim de uyo de was say unyo abra ye de sa position no asha wonsa. And my people should not allow people to deceive them. Say any panic bill ma abano they are not coming to work for Dr. They are all coming to work for the victory of the party because you would have the echo for can or say. A better so be gate man, a better party or power, more than so a general secretary, a better party a war opposition. It is in the minds of everybody, and everybody knows how important it is. So party, a better power, now kita to maybe to say chairman. So that is what people are going to work for. And more be an issue. Don't let anybody come and tell you stories. Yaba na de na yaba afa yenko he enkrofo a omutumi wene the chairmanship from the various regions. I think say we have only 7 regions are able to me I can't edi achiremo en kai na so yin say the tie be kakra ye ko yanim no say update ba ye be push amamo de edi kan abronye DC chairman abronye Chama Bronye asanya maintain the seat no ewo Bono region ho. Chama Bronye edaso ye the chairman of MPP in the Bono region. Wasan a confirm no. The vote so nye na mu sopa na mu do timu say the people actually wanted him to come. And yet when in a slight margin that be a pure the guy won, which means I won't say you know you are bontening Grofobina or far from the Bono region. Some are always against Abronye, but in Nipano Mote region hono, almost say Papa we and I didn't kabom abo ebo montam, and that is whom they need. And the Abronye were firm, congratulations to Abronye. Yanto aso Voter region so voter region Makafui Wayan retain. Makafui Wayan. You're retaining as the regional chairman our voter region. Yanko yanim na yɛhwɛ the next. The to also the Upper West MPP elect Abdurrahman as their regional chairman. And the Upper East West Hodom no also no Abdurrahman and winning the elections Yakotona and ne. Yanko yanim at the Ashanti region chairmanship also no Koka and Koka now or no one according to this person Koka crashes Kukofu to win MPP Ashanti regional chairmanship. It went so Koka na one Missy Ameti Hai I wanted Kokofu to win. Me personally, I wanted Kokofu to win, but it was not possible. When to me I win, meaning Seko Council MPP Nikase. So Koka is in, Koka has won, and we are all going to support Koka to do the best that he can do in the Ashanti regional, and yet the heart of the MPP to make sure say all the voters now 2024 omutena fi o mama meto abano 2028 yebenya won ama won nyina asore akokoto aba on the 7th December 2028. Congratulations to Koka for winning the Ashanti regional chairman for the MPP. Hope say he's coming to do a good job because a man for a didn't want dance here say papa way papa bia sabio dom edinachi enipa edon ye pa. According to sources, we are very, very, very connected to the grassroots in the Ashanti region. Very, very, very connected to the grassroots in the Ashanti region. Yanko yanim biem soa Savannah region so no Idris Suleiman ene wene ye otwa Creford Bremer with only 4 votes or no and the Savannah regional MPP chairman Idrisu Suleimana or no and you call the Accra and I said the greater Accra region so Okoboy wins the greater Accra regional chairmanship. Okoboy you'll be very solid and I like the way Sabio Okondo to the home as a politician. I like the way Papa way atoton and nearby. It's a cocatimia when and the way there is nothing more than to be happy of what this man has done. Now, young Konko tie Koka can same be after the results. Asemna Koka Kaya Fatu Timiye. Abusia Mesro, say ya to abana we. Me support two way be a enemy. Say it is time to unite ourselves, join hands together, and make sure say the victory of 2028 becomes something rare. Timiyeba, and Okoboy awene Accra, and as a greater Accra region. Sanso na Kokanso awene the Ashanti region. Chairman Abronyenso awene the Boro region. Ena yebeka se Savannah nso no Idris Suleiman awene sanso na Abdurrahman awene the Upper West region chairmanship for the MPP. Yefri onso yewo voter Makafui ena yasen maintaining no abronye DC nso awene na yenti asema Koka kan after he was pronounced as the winner of the Ashanti regional chairmanship for the MPP. I was here to where they
yɛke ahomamua abusuafo tumi no yɛsabaka 2028 yɛsɛsie ɛna nwummerɛ yɛ 2028 yɛsɛsie ɛna nwummerɛ yɛ enti wo ha woyɛ MPP ni bia no ɛna nwummerɛ 2028 ɛdɛn yɛsɛsie yɛwie bibia ɛdɛn ɛni hɔ bie
enti sɛ wotie asɛm a koka ɛkan ya ɔsɛ ɔno a na ɛkɔ election ɔno a ɛna ɔne kokofu ɛyɛ dɛn ɛkɔtwe bɔɔ mu na ɔsɛ sɛ yɛato aba na wie aba na yɛato awie no asɛm asa asɛm ayɛ dɛn asɛm asa enti woyɛ MPP ni wowɔ Asante regional wowɔ Bono regional wowɔ Upper East wowɔ Upper West wowɔ Volta baabi ɔwɔ biara no ɔsɛ yɛato aba na wie everything that happened let it pass and then every nedi koi yɛahyɛ campaign ase thinking of when 2028 yɛ kɔ akɔdi nkunim ɛde nkunimudie abra ampepi amanyɔkuo no enti sɛ koka na ɔno ɛna yɛ de Ashanti regional chairman ɛka asɛm wɔ ya adenti wɔ sɛ so ntena baabi sɛ na wo support kokofu anwen nti no oh you are not d'accord masa tumi na yɛ hwehwɛ o tumi na yɛ hwehwɛ deɛ yɛyɛ nyinaa madam fo besie tumi na yɛ hwehwɛ enti koka na amanfo no dwene sɛ ɔno na ebetumi alidi ɔmo wɔ Asante region hɔ ama the vision na ɛda yɛnim no ayɛ possible a meme ne hwan na meko kese da bi me ne ɔmo nya adwene I have to be agree with them because they are the people living there. They know the people who are on the grounds and they know who can make their plan to win the elections become more easier. Entikoka, congratulations. Yeah, boy, your bumpire the amount at Tawachi. So Benya Modern in the Esononko. Now they are the burden of Dr. Baumia, Mr. and Koyo, who and Semna now amount for can do what you know. Can the Japan influence no massa if you team ukwana wankwa kwa wadwene so kwa can the Japan influencer e bese ato acho ho koka team ye pa abusia now like video no now share na o comment so e de mame koka say MPP fo agwatum ato aba ma se bedi MPP anim no Asante region emma wadwene nkoye say you are going there to work for somebody. You are going there to work for the party. Said the one kasawa kano ya to abana we assembly ani ho. Everybody walk on the talk. Let's do what we have to do to make power available for us on 2028. Okoboy enso akasa yenti asem Okoboy enso ekaye. Kan say Okoboy ene ono ye the Greater Accra MPP regional chairman. Yenti no.
Hard work has brought to this.
Well, first of all, we thank the Almighty for victory. Then secondly, I have to thank all the constituency executives. They've shown a lot of love. I went there with a very genuine message that I'm going to be a servant leader. I'll be close to them. And I think the message went down. 488 versus 173. It's got almost 3 times. So I think the endorsement is overwhelming and the message was clear. What I told them was that we have to come together, be unified, so we can work towards power. Not power to lord over others, but power to create opportunities for the youth and to secure the future for our elderly. And so I just want to greet my opponent. My opponent, I always say, is my mother's classmate. So he's a father. He is not my adversary. He is not my target. The target is to try and criticize, to analyze the doings of this government and make sure that we work hard so that December 2028, Al-Hajj, Dr. Mahmoud, can be the president of this republic and lead Ghana into the next phase of transformation and jobs for the youth. And so I think so far, everything was smooth with the exception of a few hitches. The hitches makes the excitement. And I'm happy that largely we have conducted ourselves well. Let me also thank you, the media, for the coverage. Accra has a new leader. Accra has a new direction. Accra has a new energy. We are going to work, get close to Ghanaians, those especially in Accra, understand their issues and work towards providing solutions to our issues. That is what I can say for now.
Thank you.
I'm most grateful.
Yes, we also your Okoboy. Okoboy also the same message and or ba. So the Yankopon say or the Ankrofo me or Muhuya Jumaden I na me no so amen le. Ono so what to me aba no aba be yo Accra and as Greater Accra regional chairman Edema MPP aban yoku no. Enti Okoboy so ne nsema or the ebeto edwa anyway. Yento aso na yenko yanim na yenko on Newtons. Abusianfo, I don't know what is going on, but Kevin Taylor and Vim Lady and tokwana ekoso ewo montam no ya koyensem bebre temiye pa and tokwana na ekoso fra Vim Lady between Vim Lady and Kevin Taylor no I'm saying I'm a yagin some also Kevin Taylor wo hoyi wagidin wo Ghana mai mu pa na de nam so ama Kevin Taylor agidin wo Ghana ne say wadidi mpanfo mo Ghana nyina atem wadidi atem de kodu asante hen so papa otumfo ne so wadi atem de kodu nanado danko akufo ado so the former president wadi atem akodi JA Kufu atem the another former president wadidi atem asen didi muslimin some wadidi obi atem o man na de akwa we chiri ni say bia wo ye journalist na wasem a obeka free wanum enye to defend the NDC ene akwa we fa osi ho a obetwa abowa obedi watema obeka de opebia de ato so otumi kata nani edi ntro kan de onim kura de to so just because he feels say you are not with him on the same or with the same mentality or with the same point of view on political aspects. Abusia, the woman said Kevin Taylor asanya kwosena no ewo akua ofani say Vim Lady enipa ni nyina eta frɛ no afia poku aso na ene de Kevin Taylor ba ya wa fa Vim Lady na odi na tem say nyo no nko o se oni despite nyina o se Vim Lady any despite nyina o mo ho wasem na asem we de sabre we de am say Vim Lady antumi amfa asem no wantumi amfa asem no se yenya amanenka enti Vim Lady ba bonten enra on his show ena Vim Lady be kan sem bi no mu eduru pa Vim Lady enra na ye fire banter Vim Lady say osinyankopon betua Kevin Taylor ka osinyankopon hatasro ho ebetua Kevin Taylor ka enam enkwasi asem ne atemudi odidi amanfo amfaso ni so ose enkwasi adwuma na ye de ama na onhu nyansa ntwe ne ho mfiri ho no Yankopon ne betua ne ka ose on tiase se Kevin Taylor obi e wanya 40 years oti America ena wadan NDC dog ena ye de yo nkwasi adwuma ena ene se NDC free abai mu sesi a Kevin Taylor even to come to Ghana becomes a problem. Vim Lady say identity Kevin Taylor wa jimi sa abusia yenko fa video no na ye nyina yenye dey ye mebo na yentie emu ensem na meso so hwe video no nyina no na wa like am me share video na comment na me hu na me nchia yenko emresisia
kitchen blog and them say I'll deal with them say na no
say Ghana near the mo kan mo sa piece FM no sana get ya who fee ekua pocket nanka mun jimi ya anko be obo jantra to Maryland na mudi bu jimi to woni atua ne ka na oti kroma no no me set trap bi ama no actually my better say efia pokuya say some journalists will be killed efia kasa you will be killed. Don't say some journalists, you are not different from them. Mut efia pokuya for munamfo abutie me my better efia pokuya say she feels say she has intelligence or my job music and doors will be bomb to okume. Men can say some journalists will die. Fight for yourself with Kuya Poki. Say if you are Poki, you said the ending. When I'm no Casano, one uko jiska still hunty. Inti men kokaso bibe ukasa pepra activator. Ya the phone hokran and won't still. And I also feel you said the ending. When I'm no Casano, one uko jiska kakana koto wig bakusha. Over TV so as a comacho. And yet also a do feel crash by. If you're Boki, yet think kind of do feel crash by you who now hope activator, yet the phone hokran and won't still. And I also feel say journalists will be Dabi, and would let them solve their own problems. I say, Kase, okay, I want to 2 weeks time, because you are somebody what destroy your democracy. No, near to Chroma on a do feel crash by still hunty. Inti, man, Kokaso Bibe Kasa wo, Sika Wajino, unim targeting be free back, targeting so the eba. Namu just a mood just and I'm a tribalistic ego, ne, such tribalistic attitude, the mother say obi, more than say crude by or some who answer the cruna say. It is I want to work. I say, you think some journalists will die? Don't say that. Nana lie. Say you think you might die very soon because you don't know where the target is coming from. Yeah, Kwame Desmond, no one kwasi sike bi no hu don fanye because yeah, pe Ghana radio sa essay Ghana near the mo kan mo sa piece FM no. Sa na girl ya who fi Kuya Poki. Nanka munjini ya anko be obo jantra
Mahomo kitchen blogger no. Obie ni wono ma wonyansa. Be ma bie ni wono ma wonyansa wonim dia waye busy ye adwuma. Etua ne ma school fees. Ahead etua mortgage. Etua kania insuo building factories. What they have people like Ibrahim Mahama. People like Dr. Kwame Despatch and I said Dr. Foyesapon. People like a friend saying Kevin Otre. In conform my building Charles Niama Kwe Muni ade. How many times now ben wo bia or one yansa ni nim die obeti mi aso camera so didi atem because why you busy nkofo to oil block mi amini abema abeku Santana minima abeku Santana ofi Kumasi ba Accra solid guy abeku Santana ne o pretty or guest houses or companies wafa boys omu ye adwuma nyansafo people who are building future businesses and empire should be to say Julius Debra mi amebra penny Julius Debra NDC Muko NDC Mukram penny for woman people like Suhini minim Suhini no ye young even with their mammy family amini aba obobia many obobia da kupoku ne started journalism ye nyane a report NDC headquarters MPP headquarters there ne obobia da ko ye head or airport people grow nkofo ko manim at 40 years so said den wo de ne say mammy so camera na min di matem at 40 years wo de ne say mammy so camera wo de hwe vima wo de kasa me and you see this is somebody who claims there will be mom nema wrong information me ya wo me otema general hospital ot ya kasa na efia ya di ni fie krase ba even ya di me fie krase ba ade obi nya nipa ya di obi fie krase ba onye nipa na onka Ghana ho president mama ya wo no wo bole na na odi president no ya wo no wo bole e krase e na odi president na isi sebi bru na brother Samika nipa fun ne cancer fun obema bie ni wa na dwene mu da wa brain no eye adwuma create jobs create employment zoka be dey say adwuma okonanim ni ade a obeka se me spend time to insult people. This is somebody we are no ho proprase onu to me gina ho ye otumfo onipa we to me gina ho ye Quran onipa we to me gina ho ye nkranfo onipa we to me gina ho ye ochehene such a person ombie baba shop kra ombie bida otumi ye doctor first kwaku otin obi a onim se citric acid cry juice ekutuo onim se citric acid is derived from ekutuo. He is here insulting praying that obi bewu abroni beye wo de odidi atem look at the vema de odidi atem no kwase aboa ofui no hufin oba we now jantre ni me jantre ni weni mieye me kwa manyin cha no bebre weni mieye there is no obema na ni bia or you civilized or you cultured or you exposed that kasa language no kra o kasa no kra o be use even jantra ne sa language no obi a nani mieye e no use sa language no obia nani ebie a all boa so no so betimi any fam there for Ghana. What I mean criticizing me Akufo-Addo onye mabusuani. And the essence of democracy is Akufo-Addo na eteso afire no. Nanado why na eteso about me afire no. President Mahama fire no. That is the beauty of democracy. In America, ho na what here no obi anim say America CNN they do elections or endorse Democrats. Fox FM they do election they will endorse a Republican candidate. That is the beauty of advanced democracy. But not drain or form into a couture citric acid onim say a couture. Okotena can say Dr. Koko the citric acid the ne drink no be good adwuma be a baba shop okram for one baba kra order or so citric acid actually o JHS citric acid seriously such a person say was so camera or did you attempt for if you pocket jantre imagine obi ame ya wo mitema general hospital ma bob bre me mo jeni me tonkontom le banche momone ko bi bayere bode bibia me ton bi me o hiani ba hustled. And you also to one kana okania crown to me hustle na me see ya go school and ma besia because on to me drew your level me for me worry crown me see madan yo na me sisi madan me kunu so abone breast sisi nadan you are nowhere near me pon wakoto me kunu. But you have the audacity because a general form low IQ, mediocre person, immature person, amateurish person, unexposed person, inexperienced, uneducated, uncivilized person, indisciplined person, uncouth person, untrained person. Enti was so camera say mami di atem. And ka woni efia pokia kra nya dream politically. And once efia pokia dia who can know these are the facts. Debbie. She said you better not because President Kufuor na ya kwadrona President Kufuor na who is President Kufuor? Who mwadi entia? And you don't need to insult President Kufuor to make your point. You can disagree with President Kufuor. Kaseti President Kufuor you say President Kufuor ba ewa you say, but don't come and lie. And a President Kufuor ba na hepik no ko jisika. Ya de hepik report, tried report beto wanu good animase. And then adena otu for beka say or kwale and konfano che and am de beto hanom che say gamanche. Dan no aga guta for call demonstration. Gamanche na de na no tu mu bi ansa na guta for cry every draw. And so yama okwane run you two for down. Yen run ya santemine down. Na we are NDC. Me ame bra Julo Zebra Kokumasi say okope Ashanti reading vote. Mo be gi Ashanti reading vote afa. Wako Juma Zubaye Okumase. Look at the hard work Zubaye Okumase. Ashanti reading minister the Fanetunche. Next time I'll deal with him. Juma Zubaye onye Zuba is doing something. He's making an effort. But a brony be ye one no acidic mouth. A man abuser. Na be na sabi anajo o sorry a ukoda oba so butu no so etumi ni oba da woba a oba who raising children o oba girl o oba boy na wo se me de me so camera na me body shame oba so oba bi Italian money box o si oba bi nwunti o ye bema be no no nkwan a man who has a brain in his head. Which kind of man? Civilized, educated, exposed, intelligent man. Ben no beso camera say me dey full-time job wa brochire and for 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 jobs, 4 jobs. Se necessary omu wo sika and for people are doing things. Omu be companies organ omu sit down. Just say people are improving their life just because we be brochire nti onya kwanya opportunity or the opportunity ni be company have boni nuanom organ debi. Wo de abuse ma. Wo de didi atem. Or we are some council say media me what time. Hey, only a lazy man will talk like that. A lazy man, oh yeah, Juma wa American, I would do 401k ya, a pension. Who knew how that say me what time? Say me what time my okay, I set it up a man, me what time, me did in them. You are not educated, you are not exposed. Who name answer? What dream you know? And me tata usa. I swear to God, name me papa or chef from me tata usa. You are not exposed, you are not. What dream you know? Wunni nim de unsua de unya wadin so besia de wabo unya papa either there's something wrong with your brain because there's no way any rational human being not doing a dream rational best so camera say mami full-time job ni say me de mbedi di matem me de bia me didi atem na me homo asori na me to no ka ofui chese wo de hweve ma ya wo de ka ofui kwasia ba kwasi otumika kwasia no sam na obi say ni me di video do kwasia Obi anadwini nya adwuma no be sa. There's no way. Our school kakra wo no nkwan kakra wo street knowledge kakra street wisdom kakra wo se me de mami because chale you are busy. Despite to ton cassette you, and now or you know one and no diabedra. Ibrahim Mahama no or yeah, you manco for supply excavators and Ibrahim and there will be a Jumam and there were blanco for. There's no way Ibrahim are all creating jobs, despite all creating jobs, or say Kwame, despite for instance from Father Dixon, Yamo cry and you'll be. There's no way I bet your full-time job is here. There's so much what things to do in this world. There's so much to do. Improving people's lives. There's so much to do in life. So what they must so camera say just because somebody disagrees with you. Na me kwa mi hu da o me nkasa ho da. O si me de me di atoba we ye jantre ni. Hey! And not one or sorry or shall wig ya. And on a wig say horse. These are all irrelevant issues. Irrelevant and can war 4 hours so better na air for push NDC 24-hour economy na NDC into me explain 24-hour market now NDC for the bubun ko father come and explain, come and push your agenda, come and educate people. Aban yes say o munya abotre and then e ipokwase for you o mo complaining aban so you be relocate o ma aban ma o mu baabi o mu bedwuri o yi na wa ba ba kirem o aban be ma mu baabi munya abotre aban no yes say this is what you do to help your party. This is what you do but abro adwene nya adwuma ntino ma me medidi afia pokuatem God we say wo dey wa kese ho all the women are even to the extent wo dey awo cry yankofo so obi your bema because ye ni wombu ntino wo no God will never forgive you. God will never forgive you. Now me there in my I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Because bema bi enu asabi to me the bema ko wura oba se a wi a wo de oba na se abedi na tem de awa bedi obi at bema a obutu oba so. It's serious. Why not do me no? Why not do me because it's only when you are cursed and I'll be behave say. Why not do me no? This is do me will be a do me pa. There is no way you're normal and I'll be behave say. This is a curse. You are cursed. There is no way just say you obey my power when you down. What the whole year Juma man this year fine, fair enough. It's okay. There are so many people on here Juma man this. And there's so many people on here Juma man this on here campaign man this. Omo dey say debut omo project NDC. NDC abone kra omo to papa no that yes you can spin. It is allowed. It is allowed you can spin. But what you say my so camera. My member ye young crofo. And I will check kitchen hona de bia we young kofa na ho moaba we young kofa. This is a narcissist. You are an abusive person. A narcissist that would the old brainy person sumasi and our wenije, o brainy person sumasi and our home was sorry, o brainy person sumasi and our confidence never now feeling good. That is why every day we are did yatema and now feeling good. No, God, you have cursed yourself and God has cursed you too. You have after that feeling saying they okay. Why and I mean what time I've been lady not in Maryland. Me, I don't even care where you live. And family home, I'm too busy. Me, I'm too me couldn't quiet or promise so. A Juma, I mean, which sane person, which normal person does that? Where did you atemwa ko did you tun for them? Did you obia mami, obia papa, obia nana, obia kunu, obia yere? Where did you obia them? God will fire you. Onyankopon na be mo sro agrada jagu apempem, you'll be shocked. Oh, now what set a trap? And a Bible can also woe unto the person, one over set a trap and manipa. Woe unto the person. Now, me, the things I have gone through from Temakomtina cemetery, Brahma bre to get to this point. Misoria machi, my yejuma to 12 midnight. Brahma bre, if you crossing a lane, God, and I whiskey the kind, or see 20 man shall fall a day if you cross my lane. Oh, you castle, and penny for Cassia, what do you matem or ching or two for despite no, not despite what this guy is a motivation for so many people, despite. He's a motivation for so many people. What bre will crass God will punish you for the way, no. God will punish you. And America, no. This month, you tune for ba America. You go over you. Just say, Yabaya mana bruso, Yabaya mana time. Oh, Yabaya bruso, or tune for ba America. Gamanche so by a bayamana time. Or chain by a bayamana time. A dabon him by a bayamana time. Gonja him by a bayama, a bayamana, a bayofe. A brony bayenia dream moninti. Yama kind of brew tum fuase, and maso. Now, Conyanunim de Asike Johnny Besio. Your tradition, ya dear, nanum de Mayen. That's the only thing I ever. ukotena classroom kra yenwa nti ukosua de ba ye tradition obi nsori wiase meka nkyere nyankopon se me ba wiase no bomia infantini bomia nwrani bomia santini bomia bununi no you are finding your home in Ghana ye nyina belong to different tribe but it is in the diversity ni nyina ye baako utumi tena nka se fia boka tribal bigots me bakra de selom me ba boy or de selom me ba boy e de selom we say o school wa ha me ba boy de selom just say unni adwene unni investigation just o musa hwe on kire hwe wa bon adwene sigonjon pin wa bon e na obi
abusanfonti vim lady adwa pa vim lady said the wasi adwa no ano edere say Kevin Taylor ne nkwase asem ne nkwase akeka no beredru se obe jai nkwase asem no na wode na gene beto no obedwene se obi a wanyina di 40 years o wo yere wo ma na nkwase akeka ye do ye nkwase adwuma ye ma me se Kevin Taylor say NDC free power on to me some magana biem na sa adwuma na wo ye nfa so be na wo so adwuma wo ye na menu so nti o man mu kro o ko man mu a agye se wanya police fo na o mu di wachi enye sa wo nko a untumi nkofa wa nkọ na kora sɛ okope koko anom as a free man na say adwuma obeye faso obenya free so so sɛ wode ohun besie wa nkasa wo kromu a ɛna adwuma no wo ye de ayedai na faso bia ni so enti na na vim lady aka no ba bia wanyina duru no suanyansa na when you are making political commentary make sure that you make your kind of saying comment to be a dem koso ni ye your bebro man no enye for political what them call interest and that them na dey ase ene na no hwam an osi nyankopon betua Kevin Taylor ka them na di na kan osi nyankopon atasoro ebetua Kevin Taylor obetua ne ka den mu pa na yemfa nsem wo nsuo na yenko yanim abusia di asem wesi na ye koya ni mu dia na asem a pese men kasa mfa ho sesei a different matter nuya bari ma ene de dua ya me na o kasai Jo Mahama asai Ghana man John Daraga Dramani Mahama na breso 2012 2016 ena galamsey je Ghana fire se mo bekaya je kufuo bereso na ye nti galamsey asem mails ne Mahama omo time ena galamsey je Ghana fire ye wuraje na nado danko kufuo ado baaye oyodo obetumi bia so besi galamsey ano me na nado danko kufuo ado kuatia galamsey no na NDC for so na galamsey pechi ye campaign se amanfo nto abawoma wo mmra na se one day wo ba galamsey no Ghana for ebetumi aye without any fear of favor abusia no kore so NDC edi akonwa no NDC bedi akonwa no na me no kasai ene ebia na wo obi a ompese obeka no kore ene ebia na wo obi a wo nipa boni bia wo de oman no nka nkonye wo de na mom de uhu de wotie de wohwe enyina eye issues of what yen kan say political ye be kan say bibia wo ye bia ne political motivation political party motivation sentisa na also be kan okore pa ewo no kore wo wiase a everything shows say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo fought well in Galamsey. The only problem is that he did not get the support of the opposition party to see that Galamsey issue as a national problem. And Tibra Nanado ye campaign no na NDC Nanado kutia Galamsey no na NDC for so promote Galamsey. In fact, because of the nature of campaign and this year, you know, ama ene enkrofo no mo Galamsey no bebre no adwene mu no omo party and aba power, because many of these Galamseyers at that time They fought for the NDC. They campaigned for the NDC. They invested their money in the NDC campaign. NTN say NDC awene power na NDC na tie konwa so de a na automatically ema omo akwanya ne ahoden bi any support to be wo mu say they can do galamsey and nothing will happen to them. In fact, na me no ka say e wo kuro bi no mo ho a police for dan ho ye tu galamsey, public school ye tu galamsey, e kuro no bi kuro wa ya tu galamsey na twa ho nyina ahia ni nyina ne say MC for ni DC for binom any police officers binom e de omo ho agima omo support to omo protecting crofo omo ye galamsey. NTN the research about on training say Temiye research about on training say 8,900 hectares of forest reserves and from 2025 January I'm a permanent ya send Ghana man Temiye pa amanyoko na oba se oba no oba be kontia galamsey amanyoko na at the opposition side their main message was to come and fight against galamsey no omo ba ye no the galamsey manner no the galamsey phenomena no the galamsey issue no a quadruple aye times 4 because just in 1.5 years 8,900 hectares of land of forest and I got say for no. And yeah, no, almost omoachi nipa 258 and omoachi one. And moreover, there ya know, excavators mako 4,000 and a port. Now we are banya one tension pa. And so how do you allow people to import excavators? DNT also man form for excavator me romanum. Abra onim se sa nkrofo we. Omo nye contractors. Omo nye nkrofo omo ye mason work. Omo nye nkrofo omo ye yen kan say any heavy yen can say act movement work omunya adwuma bia eya sase ne sase mu adwuma. How do you allow them to bring in that 4,000 excavators? What are they coming to use for? Ama Kofi Boa ne nkwasi akeka nkotena parliament the last day of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo oyo ya emaye maame Rebecca esu ye. And then when I had the Land and Natural Resources Minister, one kasa wo district ya ufrim Ama Kofi Boa wo district ya ufrim galamsey ajehoafa. You are the lands minister. Moti ho ena nkwasi akeka enkwasi asem atemudie propaganda and some nyansa nim ena mode ye politics wo ban no na ya pa so manya yetim o man na yetim no you will not find one person ade ye o man ye nyina ye how no. You will not find one person that will come in and talk as a person or defend the interests of his country. Everyone is choosing a side. And there you say, mostly the NDC supporters and the NDC, you can say, pro-NDC citizens are more minor. Just some way dumb, blind. And this in him found saying this in Kumunipa, he will still defend him. Nankamoti ho. Yes, mo ampisiaji double salary. They were supporting them and defending them. Motiwo. Yes, is Dauda, 270 million. Sagrame project, Sagrame affordable house. Papa na jisikana di one single house from Amana in ready. What ho ato force, yes, yon kotombula semra. Wa first sikana di aka kofa hot dogs van abegu Ghana. And this is for that so defended. Dr. Puni, Ghana Cocoa Board, Sike Oho in a papa ni we nina, and this is for kept on supporting. Etienne, enyame nwa, segaram si aji Ghana mine fa. Na enkrofo na the time ago. Na omuna na omu ye dede fagaram se ho. Na omuna na omu preachi yenka ne sem patriotism. Omuna na omu ye nkrofo na omu tietiem no ene omu nyina ayira. Adentia. Omu ye NDC pro NDC people and ye twa bia ma omu na omu di no omu to na omu aka omu anu ato. Minya ba riba. De ekoso wo manum no time. Ebo mine. Enam bad governance inti. Galamsey adwuma no. Eji koko adwuma fa. Ebe chiro mu. Galamsey na yesi ye kwoti ano no. And this ya buying the sponsor or sponsor Galamsey. Ye kan nipa nti ase ma me chiro mu ye. And this government is fully sponsoring the galamsey. Now let me explain to you. Yes, it's a chikoko ahabanya ye ninema. Sesa abeno de ye nyina ti ase. Okay. So we are buying. Now one person ye beye galamsey wo kurom galamsey ayeyo a gold na ye de tu ye fe ne galamsey ye de kotu gold no. So also person galamsey ebe so wo man mu a galamsey ho mfaso aban no eni kwanse odo nsaka ehya wo ye criminal because obi ko wiade na obeton ma me na meto na manya me research ye na meto a meme so no ye chimi am ye kromfo enti se wo so ye nye galamsey wo man no na obi kotu galamsey na utoni gold na wo ye part of the criminals and a second say sika na odi to galamsey gold no eno ana galamsey dealers no omusan go di ko bush ho e ko finance ko to petrol ne hammers e de ko back e man krofo ye adwuma e de gusu se nieba e di se nka ya mpase jo mahama mpese obeye galamsey be ko so wo Ghana enen so de nyankopon adom Ghana maimu apart from the big mining companies no those small scale miners no they cannot take away gold from Ghana. I think we say no this would have been the solution to make people have no interest in doing galamsey. Adiosi gold emrebiaba obi ntumi mfa gold mfiri Ghana nkwama no ne nkoton. That is very nice. Enti nkrofo na omuye galamsey no se wa ban na wan to won gold na ombede na omu di gold na kwa abonti akoton ama mo anya sika da abe refinance omo we aye question anyansa fo ntie ne ye se yesi ye chiri koku aye ni ba enti se wa ban na so mpese galamsey be koso wo man mo no gold na galamsey fo na to no se wa nto a omu nya obi nton ma no omukese omudi pia bonten so kwa ebinu metumi afam but bebre ye beche won so they will have problem. This will make people feel not amamfo enyan interest in doing galamsey na die nti amamfo no wi e wo Ghana adenti amamfo no wi afuo kese e wo Ghana ban mo because omunim say so do wi na ye che wo bekwa akodam because unye obi nton man wo Ghana. But here we are. E wa banyo si okun tia galamsey. Be sa ban no e ka kire say ono ankasa ennante nko galamsey fo honkoto gold. But the buyers, the agent, our more gold board on there. I'm on the gold back, but they don't know the sources. What are they? What about them? Huh? What do I know? Who jump, say Jan Mary, Emery, now do two, and would okwati, Jun so guso. How can a better than general aid a yaso? That is the same thing. And John Mahama is not fighting against galamsey. Because I can't say galamsey is sources of employment. Or say galamsey, and I yet the architecture of our economy. And Mahama says, see about quote galamsey, yeah. Anyway, we must to understand, say, we must sacrifice our economy. Now, the IAEA and Krofo $1 and a Monfanco campaign 2028 now. They cannot sacrifice the gold border or yet the buyer and the seller of gold they were Ghana. And to get I'm saying no Mahama say on Kuntiano. Because of Kutia Garam say gold board unya gold cotton and farmer sterilization and $1 in 10 and answer 11. And in TNA and this year buying ama kwine ama 8,900 acres of forest reserve yaseno. Nedam so ama 4,000 excavators yetumi akra di frama no ne se de ba omanya yenye galamsey wom. Yesi achi nipa 258. Ehefo I don't know. Na nsem no kosoma kuro ahodo bebre no. Bra ene amamfo koko no Jomahamanto ebinom since October last year. Omu koko omo teton ye. They have not received their payment now. Enti na amamfo ashase etwa koko no gu because omu nimsa anya hwe omu ye galamsey dia partial ntentem ho a ye do sika bema wo. Enti amamfo twetwa koko no gu. Look at this. Watch this one here. Radio enya agro kokwa obi aduama na nyina duru sei ena maban bone abambone a sabi oto kokwa ontua ka enti no amamfo ani abro mu kokwa aso omo adua gu kokwa ways do you know how many years ena kuani bia do ho aye ho adwuma na nyina duru sei. But because of bad governance in team, the people feel, say, they can cut off everything and nothing will happen to them. Because a number member more be an eti. Me about. And now me no can say. And then answer be a one pay. Everywhere in the country, galamsey ajohafa. Galamsey pa ye friend galamsey. Ajiba biafa. Look at this. Where you river pra? Where you river pra? Where you river pra? River pra they have read doctrine into this. River pra no. Obia shedel to anya gum netia gumasi river no. Adentia, he is making money out of illegal mining. But John Dalaga, any Sami Jamfi, eti akra catch the Ghana for say they will use technology to fight galamsey. Me enti ade wenye wawre ho. Saade we ya, wodi wani hwei. Ensuo tene a ya hyeda atu na tie gu nsuo no amenanum atuam ensuo no. Look at the devastation state of our reserves, our forest reserve. Sa video wo hwe nyina 2025 for Jumani o. Sa 2025 emeti 2026 we ai wo mi. E na nkrofo bi no matimi aye adwuma eti sei enti se. Because so heavy video no year. Also, man for number. People are working. a man for home year juma wom because and then there is no primitive about galamsey. Abaye no any adaje. Abaye no putting in the resources to fight against this galamsey. The government doesn't care because no galamsey no buano in the terms of say over to make a dollar no we're keeping a low price. And the galamsey yes no and the pillars of what of gold board no more than job mudin. Ni na so komwa Eura Dr. Bawumia na nhyehyeye ene nim de e na akofa ade e fe ne go board aba Bajo temi pa. Look at River Pra, how it has turned to. Nankaja Sabio 2024 ena nkrofo bi no man fa galamsey anye campaigner enka yin nim say dey we a national problem, but so far as almost they are coming to fight against galamsey because MPP in power is using his own power to destroy the forest and everything in the country. Anything can this for mobile power MPP are to me. Why I didn't hear and so no a guso it is a coffee I know. Hi, why? How come? This is because the man na Ote Akunyano sooner or yet the sitting president, no, he don't care. He don't care. He don't care at all. He care about only how Gold Board will get money to sell them, bring them back to make sure that the dollar will stay at the price. And to say yes, so no one ever say me and fan because I know they drew who be scanning back behind ako tonso for the brochure dia ba. Say drew ha and this if one pay info score meeting dia kran so from an on ya benom. But here for no so no dear ben and no benom. And here for now one you could lie so 7 o'clock in the morning on the 7th of December. Eto abakesie de ma wo ma obenya to me no. You are not thinking about them, and you are thinking about your personal glory. Abusia, River Pra, and I are turning into this. River Pra, and I are turning into this. Now, and this cinema panini be a was be can edify galamsey some no. Now, if a and I never thought that there was somebody in the NDC who can stay bold like this and tell what he feels. Listen.
See, but you galamsey there, baby, I can't go. NDC for you, President Twazo or Bemwa. Yama ye numerate. Because could you December, last December, me fa pana, utimifa a barakesa kwan kupi fufu, ebesi edudamano. Na galamsey ni left and right. Na bibi enwe ekeze galamsey 3 months ago me fa okodo bonkum ni fa ehimfa fufu kwa na ekopie adudama no o ma tiesim ya tiesim ate se galamsey no mfidi si o anyasem kuma ade ne yetenchen yanka me in particular de ne yanka fa galamsey NDC ade be ne yehu se galamsey eyeti MPP4 de be ne yehu and then my 2 people phone and Bushas and NDC for your first home with respect to galamsey. Debbie Bosom, yeah, my name galamsey or baby no me galamsey. I dance to qua, maybe or Debbie infampo, a friend. Oh, so second quite a war. My new areas be a could you new forest be a nay cannot cry he. The Nancy not to pack can was Marusha coming. Almost say Abeswa first. And no quite dance squad. You 2 at the end a group police station. And you ask the police penny to know what were they? And I don't know 1 man a year to a city group. You 2 AD. ani patewa ye nipa bonesem di asem ne yan kantia MP before say wo mo ye galamsey o man wo mo say no ene ye hu say galamsey no ense o mani bio ene ndi jifo bia tiagu mo mampanyi ko aka te say ye nkofo no bi ye bi na asem bi say o mampanyi mesra wa san nkofo no ye yi wo mo man wo mo ntimi fo mo sa bisu mambone no e ma mefra yo me di ntem say me obi hwe me ho to aba ma NDC
because me kai say obo hu die nyina fa efa sa galamsey issue
ene atroni ene wo hene jinsu hu ebru nua bru posifo nanua kodu ani ne paten wiase sa ene jifo nyamba twam mo me galamsey ne nyamba twam ka wo
wa party na obom dia
kodu nyamba twam ka wo because ade a wo sa tene obi so se enye no ye ntwa ho ma yo universe kwa fa ho nchawo wa kan mo bi agye disaje we enye anka ye pensu de ka de bechi esi we ye galamsey ye yinama we ye galamsey ye yinama ene ase nhuni ano de kan galamsey ho asem 2023-24 eba sa ho de na we ko de we en se me party for mo ntia se mo ntie ni aban bie ni wa ba pe 2016 adwuma ba ni anye and maybe I'm so Ghana for any no. You might question a few.
Yeah.
And before buy dear no man farmer. And it may be on can ya, one do almost in your swap. One will buy almost some bay and you paid for the idea. I'm on and then MP before. Oh, baby, I could do. And you are here the same thing about you see, it's not any of fra or baba you, wish but yes. Why? But you can't say any no ba won't share my name cosson. I would think what air cost a pigeon. And no, the time be at a coffee.
So is it first and conform Mukase? To me, I say, Washam will be a galamsey, Yedena Kufi. But under the watch of Abaywi, galamsey cost left and right. Send is can.
For you, MPP time na galamsey cost can in your. And I go for a good baby can say, to me when young from Sobia, and then even with that.
For prison.
Yes. And to him, idea a yana say, who be it sim de or what my pencil. No, by a fusion, ya chuma boss to go court. Never I had a duo.
The same thing idea won't to me.
Yes. And to me, and before I come, I might almost one penema offense and trouble and man, me, woman, you saw. Not trouble and yet buy, quite yet a backo. I buy a deep boat touching an extra. Bambet in the woman house.
Tribunal now zone Penedia owns what by
me force and neya me perseba.
Over tribunal so.
And neya specialized cases I was saying young which time. Courts on a bre. Could we say, yeah, antenna money, my coaching a friend, and one more some comedy. Sagana is a serious country. I am ready to support home. Near her say, even you been retired magistrate court judges in the circuit court for now. One more active now, got the panel to be. One more council now, know them run at it, and you didn't court a confirm up what judgment, you know. Trouble an idea. Woman will get a cantam because it be tried.
And the MP will be used.
One man has said crime in the expiry date.
Yeah, good.
And to know end is natural now, you're going to what bound was young come once a man. A piano be a boab evidence beyond the baby. A piano be a bob around the beer. You do could not quote a bad day. A be a Bible says fair will be by. Now we knew why. We knew Joseph. Was a never now soon I got me dear Brunia took a good demon a command yard, minimum, Munam Conquasum. Tishubano Mumuna, I say a party was so as a year, as a year, I know I can't be the year. They could become coming and one and a ton of pumping.
As a man walking, and this for
Quado media, dear Manitia, I'm an Imsano and I'm here and America. Dear McKenty and PP for me be a chemuno. I and that's a caution, maybe change my own.
I didn't mean young Crawford to say, could you because me said them and not because we are me bra penny, but the old can no one now go soka. But then only NDC free air Casao platforms were. The Casa Sakra, as if so one campo.
Our Iskodo will be any fear of free Mupia Bontin by politics.
Okay.
Ubu are all by you tuneful. Ubu and tuneful. Ubu and a bush on any address. Do Pia Bontin, do you be a ya or qua, Penibia when you are often a business Anna good in highway. Mawu, me woma. Chambrabon was a bomb who modin be miniscent, but some bomb modin be as a better. I don't know, but penny to the family on Facebook, and I'm saying, Crazy almost me. To go do Nadia Honse. And he had been in Corana or more a chino. And I be at him say, oh, Bob is canon dama Eddie Jauba, and one. Channy Bad Neomana.
Tell the man, because when you politicians,
you have fruity, you have aqueduct and fast. Ah, then I go for my boss, will be 80 years. That's what buying about Opacha about my at Washington 16 years and the Bobrena. Your mother bota.
Yes, and to Papa we okasa and this in my opinion pa and I just say David. On one kasa ni party no and make you wrong because when you more fast or more ankasa do or more shame or more ye galamsey no. On one kasa na nipia. Na abushoni mdiye ya. And this form pain for binom equa him fear baby. Na ya pam mo krum hofo ne ahemfofo ne ahemfoma na wo hono omo pam ma nkrofo ndi omo free ahemfie ho adenti omo se da bi mo ye galamsey fo mo ya ban mo mpanfo a mo de mo ni ahye galamsey na mo ye mo hwe video we ye ba
to be over again, to be happy, to again, or galamsey to go on you, on your man. Yes, about the old to a man, and go to the and to give it to him. Number two, over to Nina, number one, over to Nina. We could be again them. We could be again them. Over to you. Over to Macinga. And they will put it. Only a premium. What would you go? I'm Bishop of Commander. Yes, I'm sir. Omra, no, my cousin, my own body for Mona. No, my cool, I cool in my head. That's another 4 years. No, you ain't giving a campaign. You're not going to call man this. Yes, I'm I've been this in India. You know what I am. Munkasantiano, Nastadia. I didn't have I tell you, was a baby.
So what you? DC Ankasa. DCO, abayin na mujina for our district hono. Ono na organize galamsey no wo wura no. Bajo de bi yepa. Abayin na nipa na yayi na si o so no na nyina ho ma abayin. Na o make sure say nkrofo mo district no be di emra abayin no anase oman no. E bi bu nkrofo no mo oman no. no sa DC no ono mom e na atwa ne ho e hye forest no e na oye galamsey enti hwan e na who is going to check the other one abusia why and correct the other person said they na wo who watches the watchman te nipa na yeda ba so na eme watchman no onu mom na ebokro no why na be hu so no na ebokro no why na betimi atwe na so. This is the question that we ask. Young fancy here, listen to this video too.
Abnucho boy. Yeah. Kotoku me abnucho boy. Yeah. Yo kotoku me abnu ye gina hanu ma. Ye kasa sia ye di wo kotoku ane se. Se ya wonse ye kotoku mpanifuo. Ye wo kotoku anu ma ni ase galamsey adwuma ye da ekoso. Na so ne ye pani MP. E ba oda krom anu mo. Emo koka galamsey hu adwuma yesi galamsey bi nsi wo da ha dan eda ye di akire ya hu hwe ewi akire ni ye hu mpanifu a ye di akire ama galamsey na afa de ya dan ekoso kotoku mabuna ye bom ye ntumi ntwa galamsey wa da bia ye kofa ho wo free baabi esa sa mpanifu a wo krom ane a ho na ye ba akunti ano mu didi je kotoku mabunu yati yani ya say ya small scale mining ya beye and ya illegal mining ya wa ha ufie kura ni etu ni etu amna ya mere kotoku nsuasua bra ensuo no and wo sabi kura de oru ani ma enya yie eti de ya ka kire omampani ni se omampani mahame kotoku fo ya bra samusi galamsey ya wa ha dia ana ya pesa wo de paper beto so na kotoku mabunu yesu yetumi di akire ne yesu nya galamsey ni biye esa se yampanifo na ewo krom no mu di kotoku na bro
bane ba enye tokwa enye manso enye basabete bia ba yuta e wodan no ena o se ye hwe ba bia esa achetia ne yede yetre no se empanifo bu bebi se empanifo to san ekwa mabunu bi ti se empanifo no omu betwa asabi na samwa ye ababunu ye ndache ye na bede eti yesramo esase ne de say ya GCD4 ene yo so masi omo samboard ha ba minim senator akwata fati samboard oda sa concession ne ne dia into twitwa mancrofo na yeti memfo no timi koso kwa adwuma keke ye be pamo yesi enyamo ne ye hia oho ne dia de yede ya de boys egufie ekomo nko a
media ja meso man panini se omo ayen sa community man no omo ayen se yempo ye wo ha na se ye nsenso no ye adwuma na nsu comedy en kwait me sabinom ye mo bi nfi baabi e me senso no nko hwe wo pa menten hwetesi a na mko senso bi se me de be fo nka de atete kofie kwa nka Shedi enso yaye.
How would say no? Almost science.
Yay!
We dey be sla ban. Ensa dan say am.
Yes.
Se kotoje gu form.
Oh.
Because o hwe me a me ti me nkobokro no. Me mfi so a. Ye bebu me akumi. Na afi ye won sase na edan ya chipe. Na mu tu galamsey. Ensuo ho. Na mu tu galamsey. Mo so amode ahoho. Ena ye adwuma no. Lord kwan so de da. Ehwa no mo pe etisi a yetu na lor kwan no enfonso bi ba wona se accident bi si a eba sa kwa ensem mebre yesra ban ekom de yen entu de onye ka ne sen onfa bi panto so na yenya nya bibi ndi se na be ya yetimi kobokro no e wo man mu na nso de sumdie be ba e na yesra aban no.
It has been destroyed, and it is the cause of this galamsey that has destroyed these water bodies. You see, if you come to this area, the farmers here use this water to sprinkle their vegetables. And we know the number of vegetables that we convey from Atroni to Sunyani municipality. Now they cannot use this water to sprinkle their vegetables anymore. So the people here are suffering, especially some of the farmers. Some of the farmers are suffering because they cannot get good water to watering their crops. So the illegal galamsey that is ongoing in Jene in the Atroni 2 land is affecting my communities, and some people cannot even get an access water to drink. So we are appealing to the president and we are appealing to the NIMOS commander to come in and drive those who are doing the galamsey in the Jene in the Tunis 2 land, so that the inhabitants or the communities in this area get a source or a good drinking water to drink.
Yes, enti abusia galamsey ntokwa no John Mahama ne na ban omolusu completely because babiana galamsey ni no ene ababe the solid occupation of the people. Abusia for me don be sia na o che Yankopon ya adoma ebret se sabre we ya sign ahia medin any ras media GH on YouTube me da munyina ase ene mo bre until meet again, adios makra munyina.
Exams are your promises say you buy you be chamuno you buy baby na exams ni busu koso because they charge every obia okoye your friend say okotro exams no candidate no you give sika come say fa kan no mo do mo 450 say you do mo 550 now ka nipa 40 something thousand boom now we sika ye in the name of financial exams are yeah frabo abonte by yesi ye betwam na almost 2 years into time no yentimi enkamu na sani pana no didi joma ma tem opposition no wada so tiwa. What do you want to tell me as a minister regional the minister na would na emphasize also fast one saying ukwa Ghana education service yetimi ye recruitment na yakose say MPP 4 na do ma ya recruit omo na DC 40 dem na wa tira na be campaign amount MPs omo timi nkasa what you dem ani afro listo aso kan ni anokure MPs timi nkasa because Haruna is in charge na Haruna wa ya wan aye timi ntwinanim na wa ya bone yesi anka na wuti office was say get fund for mo procurement me na me get funds who board agency be any board it is obi ya de na nya sanwa no yase ade akwaku ma nu ya nya enya kwadra mensa enso ya yanka senya enya so obi na wo tumi bi ani pani bi ansam nipa wo tumi wo Ghana asese ye dwoma ma asa mu nyina no wapone ne tumi ni bi na de amamu se mu fa kwaya adwuma na wo se mo ya ade be so mu wurani enya ade be tietie no na wo jom mama your friend say wo have no busu jom mama appoint you no say tina say tweme na momu no ma adutu ntina ho efie ba afi ba ko ne bosome nwotwe mu ni meboa na won tira wa kopu say meba na mabeka say wo koya adwuma nke be yode nipa ono no ye wa opposition na obo jom mama eti say jom mama on fa di papa bi ama ya fa ba mu ye konfie mienu ni
nipa no da so te ho the 2 deputies are amu won asem ye yi omadi adwomama ye new appointments opemu na mu dwomama ye appointments why appointments so yes obi ntwen sana nipa omo e ka asem kire me omo ka se yes nipa no ntwen na nipa no ntena honum